Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring the latest in beauty trends straight to your fingertips, literally. Today, we're diving into a product that's changing the game for DIY manicures, the imPRESS Press-On Manicure. Whether you're looking for a quick glam up or something durable for the week ahead, this Press-On Nail Kit promises salon-quality results with no mess. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. The imPRESS Press-On Manicure comes with everything you need: flawless at-home manicure, 30 nails, a prep pad, mini nail file, and a cuticle stick. But what sets this kit apart is the PureFit Technology, which ensures the nails fit seamlessly and comfortably on your natural nails. Unlike traditional press-ons, these are thinner and designed for a more natural look. The color we're reviewing today is Time Slip, a subtle yet chic option that's perfect for any occasion. Now let's talk about the application. I was genuinely surprised by how simple and fast the process was. The nails come with super hold adhesive, so there's no glue needed, which means no mess, no drying time, and no hassle. You just prep your nails with the included pad, file them if needed, and then press on the nails. They stick right on with ease, and I love that there's no waiting around for them to dry. One of the standout features here is the fit. Thanks to the PureFit technology, the nails feel incredibly comfortable and look surprisingly natural. They hug the nail bed just right, so there's no bulky feeling or awkward space between the press-on and your natural nail. Plus, these nails are chip-proof, smudge-proof, and waterproof, so they hold up beautifully for days. I wore them through a workout, a few kitchen experiments, and even some outdoor errands, and they stayed put without any issues. That said, there are a few things to keep in mind. The fit is impressive, but I did find that a few nails felt a bit too snug on my natural nails. While this wasn't a deal breaker, it might be something to consider if you have broader nail beds. Another potential downside is that the shape of these press-ons, while great for a classic look, may not be ideal if you're someone who loves intricate designs or longer lengths. Now, let's get into the value. At around $8 to $10 for the kit, this is a solid investment for a quick, long-lasting manicure. If you compare it to salon visits or other press-on brands, it's a steal. The fact that it includes 30 nails, more than enough for multiple applications, and all the accessories is a real bonus. You're paying for convenience, quality, and time saving, which in my book is definitely worth it. As for alternatives, there are other press-on options out there that are cheaper, but they often fall short when it comes to the fit or durability. If you're looking for something that stays put without the mess of glue, this is one of the better choices in its price range. So, to wrap up, imPRESS Press-On Manicure delivers on its promises of easy, comfortable, and long-lasting nails. The PureFit technology really does make a difference, and it's a great option for anyone who wants salon-like results without the salon time. If you're new to press-on nails, or just looking for a no-fuss way to get a beautiful manicure, this is a fantastic pick. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've tried these nails, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience.